In this video I can show you how you can add team members in your ReachOwl. I'm going to show you about how you can add a team members in ReachOwl. So every member in ReachOwl has his own team. So this is my Shakes team, and I can invite others team members to this team. So I go to Settings, and in Settings click on Team Members. Click option Add a team member. Select the role. Agents can only be assigned as an executor to a campaign by the super admin. They do not have a right to create a new campaigns, whereas super admin can also create the campaigns for the Shakes team. I select agent for now and click on invite button. Not that this team member has been invited. The status shows has invited. He has not joined my team yet because you have to accept the invite. Once you accept it, you'll ask to log in or create an account because this user does not be an existing account. I create a new account. Once the registration is completed, I'll have to click on accept link again in my email to join the Shakes team. Once that is done, I can click on this owl icon to check my extension. Now the person I invited have a new account. He has his own team and he can switch to Shakes team. Now you see the message you are added as an agent to this team. Campaigns will appear when the admin assign it to you. Now, if I go to the admin's team members, I can see this person who I invited has joined my team. Now you can go to the campaign and assign him any campaign. This drop down, I can see my team numbers. Can I choose this person to execute this campaign? After starting campaign, you can see this campaign is assigned to Uzama. From my team member's account, we can switch to my team. He can see the campaigns he's been assigned. That's it. Thanks for watching and happy learning.